You are going to be so happy with this. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. It actually works and it is super crazy, guys.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get free Xhamster tokens in 2026. So as you can see, we have a button and we can press unlock unlimited tokens. So I'm going to do this and show you guys that it actually works. So let's just give it a second for this to load, as you can see, and we'll be rich. So it says inviting on device receipt, verifying tags and all this stuff, whatever. So is it done? Yes, it says they were added. So let's see if our tokens start going up, and bang guys, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to get free Xhamster tokens 2026. So let's get into the video. So all you gotta do is go to your browser, matrixmods.com, find the Xhamster, press download, and then the last step is verification. So you have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So basically at the end it's going to say missing files, and you just have to download 2 of the apps. So they're all free. So like Lucky Match says reach level 11, so I could do that. Or Travel Town says reach level 9. Underdog Fantasy says down the run for 30 seconds. Alright, so they're all pretty easy, guys, but if you want to get rich, be sure to try this out, guys. It fully works. So all you have to do is download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions, and then you're going to have the verification completed. And then you'll get the mod and you'll have free tokens. So how can you say no? So this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get free tokens. This is fully updated and no one can stop you or anything. It's not bannable. So that's so cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome, guys, and yeah, it's legit 2026.